today we are going to learning GK picture dictionary. Here is GK and here is picture dictionary. We have already finished the chapter 1 and the chapter 2. Let's read the chapter 3. Water animals. Fish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Jellyfish. Octopus. Octopus. Dolphin. Shark. Urchin. Starfish. Now insect's name. Honeybee. Honey. Honey. Bee. Honeybee. Ant. Ant. Butterfly. Mosquito. Cockroach. Housefly. Ladybird. Termite. Wasp. Grasshopper. Dragonfly. Cricket. So children, So friends, our 1, 2, 4 chapters are finished. Bye bye. Like, subscribe and share. And like, subscribe and share. Like,